So, like I said, very crusty. Take us a long time to get these nuts. Take us a long time to get these two nuts off. Lots of wire brushing. They're very crusty. One's got a 13 chapped on it. Lots of heat. Wee torch on it, so we can get that off of there. So I've got that off now. I'll get this bit off in a minute. The air conditioning in the car, tyres are good. That tyre's good, brake pipes are good, springs are new. Exhaust, we know, rotten in there as well. So, and there's a big hole. So, sills, good condition on it. Footweed in Scotland at this age, that's really good. Chassis legs, good, sub frame, starting to corrode, but it's okay. Sump, we've done that, sump's been done on it. Pads and discs are in good condition, front tyres in good condition. It's all good this week, it's all good, it's just the exhaust. So welcome back. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And we'll get this exhaust fitted, I'll let you see that. Hello there. Oh, stuck. Oh. Well, you got a good day for a walk back up the house. Are you leaving it for tomorrow? Aye. Cool, thank you. Well done. Cheers, thank you. Right, so that was it. There's a garage. So, wee Picanto exhaust all done. All the elbows are in there. I've positioned it as best I can. I don't like doing exhaust on the 2-post lifts. I've got it with a 4-poster and then you can see well, it's sat in its original running position. Where's that hitting? So that's again, that's why I don't like these kind of things. There's not really anything I can do there, it's bolted up tight. I can actually feel the heat transferred through there already. I'll take a wee run and see if that's going to be alright or... It might be okay when it's down on the ground. We'll soon see. So let's see. That's frozen. What's that coffee break? So the position of the axle will change and you lower the vehicle down to the ground, and the weight's on the vehicle, obviously the running position of the vehicle, the weight on it. See this exhaust like out the road. Thing is up moving it. Stop actually. So we can hear there, it's not really the speed off anymore, so that's a bonus definitely. Again, like, subscribe if you haven't already, please do so, it's all free guys, quality Picantos. Love it. So I'm not 100% happy with that, to be honest. Not like that, to be honest. Yeah, it's an American. Bend it. Shape. Grind and redo it. You can have that option here. I could buy a pipe bender, but I'm not really making exhaust from it. That's not bad. So if I move it, hopefully when I'm out in the road it's not going to contact the fuel tank anywhere. I've got the heat shield there, so, and this is obviously for a different model. So you can see around the rubbers here. There's not really much we can do at the front obviously. So as they're blowing you can see what happened to the original flexi, just unbolted it and fallen off, so knackered. So aye, knackered. So it's for the bin now, so we'll get this wee car road tested. Make sure that's all tickety boo, but it sounds all good to me.